Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to remove member from Slack workspace. You have one teammate who was transferred to another team and because of that you want to kick him out of your team's workspace. So today I am going to show you how to remove a member from your Slack workspace. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Slack application and log in into your workspace. Here, click on this icon beside the name of your workspace located at the top left corner of the screen. In this panel that appears, tap on Preferences, and here, swipe up and tap on this Account Settings. After that, you will be directed into this page. Here, scroll down and under the Activate Account section, tap on this Delete the Workspace. After that, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left, and in this panel, select Manage Members. In this section, find the team member that you want to remove, then click on this three dots icon located at the right side. In the menu that appears, click on this Revoke Invitation option. A prompt will appear asking if you really want to deactivate this member. Here, confirm that you want to activate that member by clicking on this Deactivate button. To remove the member completely, you can delete that member's profile by clicking this three dots icon again. And in this menu, click this Delete Profile option. After reading this prompt, click this small box to acknowledge that you understand that this action cannot be undone. Lastly, click on this Delete Profile button, and as you can see, the member has been removed from the members list. Once you have removed the team member, they will no longer have access to the Slack workspace. Take note that you will need to be an owner or admin of the workspace to be able to remove a team member from your Slack workspace. There you go. If you wanted to know how to remove a member from your Slack workspace, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to remove a member from Slack workspace, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.